10 powerful Salesforce Service Cloud features to transform customer experience. Salesforce Service Cloud enables end-to-end customer service with AI-powered insights, automation, and omni-channel support. 150,000 plus customers trust Salesforce to deliver faster and scalable support. 1. Case management. Centralized case tracking and lifecycle visibility. Automated case routing and prioritization. Improves resolution speed and customer satisfaction. 2. Omni-Channel Routing. Unified customer interaction across channels. Intelligent workload-based routing. Enhances agent productivity and response time. 3. Knowledge base. Self-service support for customers. Centralized articles and FAQs. Reduces ticket volume and improves efficiency. 4. Service Cloud Voice. Integrated calling within Service Console. Real-time call transcription and insights. Boosts agent efficiency with click-to-dial. 5. Web-to-case and email-to-case. Automated case creation from web and email. Seamless digital request capture. Ensures consistent and organized support. 6. Messaging. Supports WhatsApp, chat, and social channels. Real-time, conversational customer engagement. Delivers fast and convenient support. 7. Field service. Optimizes on-site service operations. Smart scheduling and dispatching. Improves workforce efficiency and service delivery. 8. Live agent. Visual remote assistance. Real-time video and screen collaboration. AR-based issue guidance. Faster and more accurate issue resolution. 9. Einstein AI. AI capabilities. Predictive insights and sentiment analysis. Recommended responses and next best actions. Enhances personalization and efficiency. 10. Swarming. Collaborative issue resolution approach. Connects teams via Slack and Chatter. Speeds up complex problem solving.